You only get one shot. Are they going to click on that and look more at the listing, or are they going to move on?
Real Estate Radio Boston.
Well, everyone's always looking at it as an investment, and it's an investment into your family. It's not only an investment into your pocket, into the bank.
Sure.
You really have to take a look at that. But it's long term. Buyers now, the difference is from 20 years ago to now, buyers are buying a house because they're going to be staying there for 10 or 15 years. They're not staying for 3 to 5 years.
Right.
So they're looking for long-term investments. So they don't mind paying the good price. They really don't care about the interest rates, because when you look at it, right now, the average buyer, when ultimately they put their deposit down and they buy a property, in my general area, their mortgage is going to be less than their rent.
Right.
There's 5 single-family houses in the entire town. Now, usually in January, again, despite weather, we'd have 40 or 50 in a traditional market, and we have 5.
Because a healthy market, to get me wrong, is 6 months of inventory, right?
At a minimum.
Right.
At a minimum. You want
right
a good
now
absorption rate, and we don't have the absorption
How
rate
does
now.
this compare to last year and the year before that? Has it been similar?
Last year we had 7.
You had 7. The year prior to that,
the year
probably
before we were about in the mid-20s, and then 3 to 4 years ago we were in the 40 to 50. So right now it's just a lack of inventory. And traditionally, in the height of the market, which is, every seller wants to put the house in the market right after Easter, the yard looks great, the flowers are out, we would traditionally have 70 or 80 homes. Last year, the most we had at one point in time was 32. So
wow.
supply and demand is favoring the sellers.
An average single-family price in 2016 was $751,000 and change.
Right.
Condos were $527,000 and change, and multifamilies $856,000 and change. I mean, those are really affordable prices when you're dealing with as a first-time home buyer or an entry level that has that level of access.
Right, and and the numbers are much higher, as you can see, from even 2014, 2015. Sure. But one of the things that's interesting is the numbers are skewed a little bit for this past year, and that's just because there was a lack of inventory. And a lot of these smaller homes that came on the market were bought by developers that tore them down and built a bigger home. So larger sales are up there. And I think where we're going to see the change now, and Jackie talked about it earlier in her segment, we're going to see a lot of inventory. And this is what I've been predicting for more inventory for March or April. You have now a lot of our senior citizens, people that are considering downsizing. They're starting to think, have we hit the ceiling?